Today pro-section we gathered based on the call of the national leadership of Christian Association of Nigeria, CAN, headed by Bishop Daniel C. Oko, where he urged all believers today to gather and pray. Today is tagged as a Black Sunday for all believers within the nation, to pray specifically for those who are in the dens of kidnappers, and also to pray for the insecurity that we have found ourselves into as a nation, and also to pray for our leaders. God should give them direction and focus to end this insecurity within the nation. Christian body is doing in helping to protect the church in advocacy one, to intercede, because CAN is is in between the church and the government. So CAN is doing all what it could do to protect the church and pay where necessary advocacy in order to make sure that the church is safe and secured. So currently within Borno State, yes, we have Reverend Musa that was kidnapped since 2023 in Gamborungala. He's a reverend in Kokin Church, and also together with his wife. And also we have those that they have lost their lives. They were not even given privilege to be kidnapped and to be kept for some particular period. The moment they took them and they killed them. Last year, if you can recall, of an incident in Askira Uba, where a pastor also was killed, a pastor of EYN Church. So we have a number of pastors that were kidnapped. Not just pastors, we have our brethren that were kidnapped, and most especially at times because of our faith. Once a brethren was being kidnapped, we'll be asked, are you a Christian? Yes, you are a Christian. And because of that tag Christian, instead of him to be released, will be held hostage.